Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Wi-Fi router. First, carefully unbox your new router and identify all components, including the power adapter and Ethernet cable. Next, choose an optimal location. A central, elevated spot, like on a shelf, is ideal for maximizing Wi-Fi signal coverage throughout your home. Avoid placing it near large metal objects or other electronics that could interfere. This initial placement is crucial for a strong and reliable connection. Now, let's make the physical connections. First, connect one end of an Ethernet cable to your internet modem's LAN port and the other end to the router's WAN or internet port. This port is usually a different color, often blue and clearly labeled. Next, plug the router's power adapter into an electrical outlet and then into the router's power input. Make sure all cables are securely fastened to ensure a stable connection. Wait about 60 seconds for the router to power on completely. When it comes to aesthetics, the Roma Spider embodies timeless Italian elegance, featuring a sleek, minimalist exterior and a sophisticated soft top that retracts in 13.5 seconds. Inside, it offers a driver-focused dual cockpit with an 8.4-inch central touchscreen. The DB12 Volante, on the other hand, exudes muscular British charm with its bold grille and K-fold roof, which opens in 14 seconds. Its cabin boasts hand-stitched leather and a larger 10.25-inch infotainment display. Finally, let's configure your Wi-Fi network for security and ease of use. Navigate to the wireless settings section. First, change the default Wi-Fi network name, or SSID, to something unique and easily recognizable. Next, create a strong, secure password for your Wi-Fi network. A good password should be at least 8 characters long, including a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Save your new settings. Then restart the router to apply all changes. You're now connected.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.